時です。トトロの薬があれば。じゃあトトロの薬を探しに行きましょう。トトロの魔法を見つけました。これで魔法のトトロのマカロンの薬を作りましょう。Welcome back from that award-winning Grammy short film. As indicated, we'll be making a macaron recipe inspired by Totoro. And Totoro is a character from Studio Ghibli, which is an anime studio very near and dear to my heart. We even have Totoro origami. And then, to put the cherry on top, Kyurimeshi, my favorite goddess, recipe creator, inspiration, is the one who came up with this recipe. So let's get to it. This kind of looks like rapita. You're supposed to sift the dry ingredients so that you get the big lumps out, but the almond flour wouldn't go through the sifter, so I just decided to mix it all together again, which is not the right thing to do. Egg earrings for meringue. Here we separate the egg yolk and white via the scoop method. Getting even a little bit of egg yolk into the whites is extremely detrimental if you want to get them all fluffy. This is my favorite part here, where we whip up the egg whites until they reach the elusive soft peak stage. Fold is the key word here, so you can maintain that fluffy structure. So you cut through the center, then scoop up the bottom. This really looks like whipped cream, and it's amazing to think it's egg whites. And it tastes so good. I know it's gross because it's a raw egg. Our lovely Totoro has two colors, kind of a gray and a pale part. We're going to divide this into two bowls, and we're going to color one to be gray and one to remain the pale part. I know people don't just have charcoal powder lying around their house, and I don't recommend using cigarette ash or anything, so gel food coloring would be fine. You can also see I'm being a little bit more aggressive with my mixing this time because we're in the stage called macaronage. And to know the batter's ready, it should fall off the spatula smoothly and form a nice figure eight. After I filled the piping bag up, I had quite the moment with the batter. Here I have my two colors of meringue. We're gonna pipe out the Totoro shapes. I don't want to let Miyazaki Hayao down. Surprise! I do let him down. This was another failed recipe. Half of the videos on my channel will now be a failed recipe, but this just goes to show that life is not perfect. I'll show you my shame. Da-da-da-da. I'm sorry, you don't make the cut. The concept of the tail though, oh, I can't show it. Kind of cute. I'll put a picture of Kyurimeshis here so you know what they were supposed to look like. This is not a macaron. So let's do some analysis.
Macaron.
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 Anyways, let's do a taste test. With the smudged eyeliner, the resemblance is uncanny. It tastes like sugar.
Sugar.
It tastes sugary. I wanted to clarify, just because I failed the recipe does not mean that you will. My excuses were carelessness and the humidity, and if you don't have those two, I bet you can succeed. So please do not shy away from trying this recipe.
Let's do ASMR.
トトロの薬を見つけた。ちょっと食べて。
まず
No, 美味しいつもり。That's a happily ever after. Now my mother is not sick because she got saved by the Totoro macaron antidote. Thank you.